Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make white mushroom soup easy method. Start by gathering mushrooms, onion, garlic, butter, stock, and a splash of milk. Slice mushrooms thinly and sweat onions gently to build flavor. Simmer mushrooms in stock until soft, then blend until smooth. Finish with a touch of milk, salt, and pepper, tasting as you go for balance and warmth. Gather ingredients before you start to keep the flow smooth and the kitchen tidy. Measure 1 lb mushrooms and have 3 cups stock warmed nearby. Prep onion and garlic so they cook quickly without burning. Keep butter and milk at hand for finishing. This organization helps you move from sautéing to simmering to blending without stopping, delivering a creamy, consistent soup with minimal fuss and maximum flavor. If you're finding this recipe helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more easy meals. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you view money and time, which pairs nicely with cooking smarter, not harder. It's a fun life skill combo. Look in the description for the link and extra deals, grab it if curious, and now let's get back to the video. Work methodically through the steps for best texture and flavor. Sauté onion and garlic gently, then add mushrooms to brown and concentrate taste. Pour in stock and simmer about 15 minutes so flavors meld and mushrooms soften thoroughly. Use an immersion or countertop blender to puree until smooth, then stir in milk and adjust seasoning. Serve hot with crusty bread or a drizzle of olive oil for a finishing touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.